All right, Pete Gust is here. I'm interviewing Andy Savakinas with PartsOnlineNetwork.com. He's an entrepreneur who started an online parts center. Do you also do repairs, Andy?
Yes, I do. Just recently, within the last year, we did open a repair shop, but our main focus is on performance work around the Dodge Ram SRT-10 and Dodge Viper.
Okay, excellent. So where are you located?
We are located in Orwigsburg, Pennsylvania, and this is where the business started in 2016. Started as a home-based business, as a side business to my regular job as a service advisor at a Chrysler Dodge Jeep dealership, and it grew into what it is now, which is actually two websites. I have new parts on PartsOnlineNetwork.com, and then I have all of the used Dodge Ram SRT-10 and Viper parts at usedpartsonlinenetwork.com.
Okay, so you have a lot of experience. Is a lot of your stuff online sales, or do you have a lot of walk-in customers?
I have a little bit of both. A lot of local people do purchase parts and pick them up instead of shipping, but I do business all over the world. One of the countries I do the most business with is Germany. There's a lot of Germans who have Dodge Ram SRT-10s and Vipers.
God, yeah, that's kind of interesting. I actually went to Poland, and it's funny because to us, all the luxury cars are like Mercedes. If you have one, it's classy, or a BMW. And if you're over there, if you have an Escalade, a Corvette, or like a Viper, people are like, holy shit. Because, of course, it's the contrast. People want what they don't have, and that's more valuable to them. So because, of course, it's made in the other continent. So have you seen a lot of changes in your business recently?
Not as much as I really thought I would. I would think with the current global economy, the situation that we're in, that I would have lost a lot of business. But surprisingly, business has picked up, and this week that we're currently in is probably the biggest week I've had in the company in the last 4 years of running it. And it's incredible. I kind of attribute it to the stimulus checks coming out recently, and that people were buying parts with those checks.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's definitely good. So it's great that your business is going well. And so what are you forecasting for the future of your business? What are your plans?
My plans are to completely corner the market on used Dodge Ram SRT-10 parts. I know it's a very niche market, but the reason I'm doing that is I want to build that market, show the customer service that I give, build a reputation, and then expand it into another market, and continue to do that, and try to end up with one of the largest used parts inventories in the world.
Is there a range of years for that segment that you're focusing on, or just is it broad through the whole segment?
It is 2004 to 2006 is the only years that they made this truck, and if you're not familiar with it, it is a Dodge Ram pickup, but it has the drivetrain of a Dodge Viper in it.
Oh yeah, you know what's funny? This is such a coincidence. I actually sold one. Now that you're thinking about it, there's an actor named William DeMeo, and he lives in the Poconos. Short story is, I have a friend who is trying to sell a mafia type car, you know, an old car. He got a call. Guy explained who he was, and my friend's not a salesperson. He just posted on Craigslist or something. Then he said, "Oh, this guy called, and he's famous, and I think he could buy the car, but I can't sell it to him. Can you call him?" So I called, and I was like, at first I thought he's a friend. I thought this is going to be a fucking prank. I was like, so I call, and then I'm just feeling this guy out, and he's like, "Yeah, I buy the car, but you know, I actually need to sell my other truck first. I've been trying to sell it." So I told the guy, like, and you know, I'm not picking on him, just like everybody else. I said, "Let me see your ad. You know, I used to sell cars for a living." So I saw the ad, and I said, "Well, there's your problem. This ad's terrible." And he said, "I didn't make it. Somebody else did it. You know, computers and this stuff, it's not me." And so I looked at it, and I said, "Well, I'll do you a favor. I'll sell this truck for free for the price you want, but you have to do it my way, and we need all new pictures." So he agreed to that. I put it on eBay, and we sold it in a week. And that's kind of funny that you mentioned that specific vehicle, because they are pretty nice. I'll tell you, and they're unique. The guy who bought his purchased it. He was from Alaska, flew down and picked it up. But, you know, I made a sales pitch out of it, And that's what I always tell other business too. What I did is I said, hey, besides buying this, you're going to meet this famous actor. You'll get a poster signed by him and you'll get to meet him. So I'm not saying that was the only reason the truck sold, but I think it was the uniqueness too, because like you said, it's a niche market. Someone who bought that truck was probably not looking for the actor. They were probably looking for that niche product. And then if they knew the actor, they were like, wow, this is cool. Okay, so I might spend an extra $200 and I have to drive it back for the plane ticket, but this is going to be cool, you know? So it's made a unique experience, because sales, it's about customer service and providing a unique experience. And that's like what you're trying to do. Excellent.
Totally.
Excellent. Well, anything else that you want to end with, or anything that you want to say?
Just appreciate the opportunity. Thank you for taking time to sit down with me and talk. I like what you're doing.
Thanks.
Trying to help other small business owners, and I truly appreciate that. Something that I like to do as well is help promote other small businesses so that they can make a living doing what they love and support their family. And it's just a really good thing you're doing, and I appreciate it.
Excellent. Yeah, and I appreciate you too. This is the first interview on my channel. So if you want to tell people where you're located, the web address, and your phone number so they can get a hold of you.
Sure. Yeah. We are Parts Online Network. We're located at 1509 Center Turnpike in Orwigsburg, Pennsylvania. You can reach us at partsonlinenetwork.com or usedpartsonlinenetwork.com. And my phone number to reach me if you need to call or text is 570-449-5591.
All right. Thanks a lot, Andy. Have a good evening.
You too. Thank you.